I don't know how to start this. I'm just excited. I just don't know how to start it. I just want to open it. Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's mickyfigfig and this is my beautiful sister. As you saw in the title, we're going to be doing a unboxing video. You're going to reveal which site we got these fun things from. So, drum roll. This is the beautiful box. Okay, so let's just open.
Let's just get to unboxing, baby girl.
Okay, you can do the sides.
Sweet.
Oh, this is so cute. Look at this. It's so SHEIN. Oh, it's got little zipper thingies. Let's see what the first thing is. It's not exactly what I thought it would be.
No, not at all, actually.
I mean, it looks the same. It just doesn't look like the same material. I know what this is. I saw it.
The excitement is surreal.
No, this is like one of the things I was really waiting for.
Oh, that is stunning.
It's so cute. And the material isn't bad.
Oh yes, sexy.
Come in, show. He has to dress up as a teacher tomorrow at school. So come. This is my brother, by the way. You have to like come into the camera there.
Hello.
Yeah.
See, he has the 3 musketeers. But I'm the best one, don't worry.
I know who this is for. So when I did this order, I got my sister her birthday present. So she chose a bunch of stuff and then we...
Bear in mind, my birthday was like a week and a half before we placed the order.
Yeah, but that's because like everything just didn't work out.
Yeah.
So this is the first present. So happy birthday.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
I love this jersey so much. I'm going to literally keep it.
No.
That's cute. And it's got little smiley faces. Okay, I'm not gonna look this time because I feel like I'm cheating. So I'm just gonna... Wait, I'm gonna feel what this is. It feels like pants.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like I know which pants these are.
Which one?
I hope I know which pants these are. I'm guessing it's the blue ones with white, am I right?
No.
Oh! Incorrect! It's got little mushrooms on it. Look at that! Cute, man! Okay, how's the material? I feel like this is gonna be really warm. And this is very thin. Okay.
Next. I mean, thank you.
Next!
Thank you. Next.
Which one this is as well? I'll tell you which ones you... So this is baby girl. I feel like it's gonna be really big. But I feel like I chose a bigger size. And then it says baby girl at the back as well. I'd like to call on my sexy brother because we decided that he is going to open the next one. Okay, great. Okay, close your elbows. Okay, you need it. Yeah, because you need your hands. Okay, here you go. There's a zipper thing on that side.
That sounds like a
Yeah.
No, that's all what it is.
Check it out. Is it shorts?
I think so, yeah.
Do you think it's pretty shorts?
I think it's pink shorts.
You think it's pink shorts? Okay.
It's all in the finger too.
Okay. Okay, you can open your eyeballs.
You're feeling so wrong.
It's for you.
Why'd you get
You
this?
missed, but they missed your face. That
Okay, so do you like it?
I do.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
I hope it fits.
Thank you.
does a little banana fit your little banana?
Banana.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Thank you, God.
Oh.
Yes.
That was interesting. It feels like it could be a t-shirt. I feel like this could be yours. Okay, I don't know. This is yours! Oh yeah, happy birthday.
Oh, thanks.
I didn't even feel the material. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Does it feel like swimming short material?
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Would you like to refill it? Would you like to refill it?
Yes. Look,
I was talking about the shorts.
Oh.
dumbass.
I didn't feel that material.
Gosh. Oh.
I'm confused.
And your top.
What? This is what I was waiting for.
You were waiting for everything that's here, but nevertheless.
And it's open at the back. Yeah, there's the... Wait.
Here we go.
Close your eyes. Try again.
Oh. Why are you buying me things, man?
How do you know it's for you?
Because you looked at us like that. Not blind.
You seem like an actual boy.
Sorry. Shorts. Can I open? Oh wow, this looks sexy on you.
Wait.
Schedule.
It's fine.
So I think this will look better on me than you.
It took a while for me to... I was like, I didn't get him butterfly stuff. What is happening? Yeah, this... Yes, take it out! This is like the thing, like... The thing that she's been waiting for. Okay, you can open it. You can do the honors.
What
Do
is
the
that?
honors.
No, you were the most excited to see
Do the
it.
honors.
It's not a zippy bag.
Aww. It's because it's a bag. In a bag.
Oh my god! Wow!
Oh, it's so cute.
Oh.
Look how cute it is.
It looks like 𝓶𝓸𝓸𝓷𝓬𝓱𝓲𝓵𝓭.
You look more cockeyed than me.
Sorry, it's a little bag. It's got obviously straps.
There's a cute little like pocket over there.
Okay, so little disclaimer. The camera cut while we were busy recording, so it didn't catch all the other stuff that we opened. So when I realized that it stopped recording, I decided to do a little montage of the rest of the stuff that we got. Some of them, not everything, but yeah, so I'm just going to show you that.
Banana.